Call up. To make a phone call to someone. I will call up him to say sorry. Clean up. To make a place clean and tidy. We are cleaning up the room. Crack up. To laugh a lot or suddenly start laughing. I cracked up to see his funny face. Drink up. To finish your drink completely. I drank up a glass of the orange juice. Dry up. To become completely dry. The river starts to dry up in the summer. Eat up. To eat all the food on your plate. I ate up my foods. Fix up. To arrange something, like a meeting, job, or date. I will fix up an appointment with him. Fix up. To repair something. We are fixing up Sarah's bicycle. Hang up. To end a phone call. Sorry, I hung up the phone by mistake. Heat up. To make something warm or hot, usually food or a drink. Can you please heat up some milk? Let up. To stop or become less strong, especially about bad weather, pain, or pressure. The rain let up after a few hours. Pack up. To collect and put your things into a bag, box, or container. I am packing up my suitcase. Pull up. To stop a vehicle. The car pulled up in front of me. Queue up. To stand or wait in a line. Please queue up to get into the room. Rip up. To tear something into pieces. I ripped up the check by mistake. Show up. To appear, arrive, or be present somewhere, especially where someone is expected. I didn't show up there yesterday. Sit up. To move from a lying or leaning position to a sitting position with your back straight. I sat up straight in chair to listen. Split up. To separate or end a relationship, or to divide something into parts. We split up this year. Team up. To work together with someone to do something. I want to team up with my colleagues for this project. Wind up. To end something like an activity or meeting. It's time to wind up the meeting.